Are you struggling to find all the shared videos on your Messenger chat on PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a new update that makes it easier than ever to view all those videos. So let's get started. The first step is to open your account on Messenger. Once you're logged in, find the chat where you want to view the shared videos. Next, click on Media and Files from the right side menu. This will bring up all the media files that have been shared in that chat. Now, you'll see a list of different types of media, including photos, links, and videos. To specifically view the shared videos, click on Media. Here, you'll see all the videos that have been shared in the chat. You can easily scroll through them and choose which ones you want to watch. And that's it. With this new update, it's easier than ever to view all the shared videos on Messenger chat on PC. So next time you're looking for a specific video, just follow these simple steps and you'll find it in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Messenger. See you next time.